Hello everyone. I was looking through my storage of things that I have for sale, and I discovered that actually I have also made this album probably last year. I cannot even remember when. And yeah, so I am making a video of my album or book or journal, or I don't know what to call this. And I totally forgot about it, so we will go together through this because I cannot even remember what's completely in it. Yes, you can see the binding is like a twine just through the holes, and closure is just this is a ribbon, a white ribbon that I distressed a little bit, and there is a Christmas stamping over it that I did also, what I remember. And here is the book itself, or is it journal book? I don't know. Let's call it journal maybe. I remember last year I was making this kind of shrinkies. So this is one of them. I guess there will be more through the book. I'm wondering, oh yeah, this comes out and this comes out. There we go. So there are two tags just right here in front on the cover, which I didn't know. So we are going to be discovering together. Okay, I guess this is like a tucked in journal. Yeah, this is like a belly band there. And here we have a journal. I guess here is oh yeah, I nearly ripped it off. Sorry. Here is something small inside. Some paper to write on, I guess, with some embossing and mini tag. So in a small envelope. It was just right here. Let's put it back. So we have here a small Christmassy journal for writing, I guess, because the book itself looks like there is not much writing space on it. They are more or less the pages holding stuff on decorational purposes. So I guess I made little journals in to write on. So I don't want to make this too long video, so I'm going to be flipping rather fast. These are just, I was doing some more embossing, and this is wrapping paper. This is some vintage paper that I used. So here we go. So that belongs to here. Here we have, there is, that's the whole, oh yeah, okay. That's like pocket or yeah, paper bag actually that I see that I stamped myself. It was just a brown paper bag that I stamped myself. So here there is one tag, and here is another tag with pocket, and this is a small wax paper bag with a small tag inside, and these are another tags with another mini tag. Oh yeah, lots of mini and small things. Sometimes I am into those. Okay, so we have here a paper bag. What's inside? Let me dig deep. Oh, there are multiple things. So this is envelope. Okay. So, okay, this is a tag inside, and this is another of my wax paper bags that I made with mini seals on it, and here is a tag inside it. There we go. So that's an envelope. This is, okay, this is also a tag. I guess this is just a paper. Yeah, that's just a paper to write on. So there we go. And a vintage Christmas postcard or winter postcard. Here we go. So vintage. Ah, there is another journal here inside. Oh, I was wondering. I would definitely put one in for more journaling spot. This is a paper bag that I got at the Christmas shop when I bought there. I don't remember what, but I bought there something, and it was really cool paper bag, so I couldn't throw it away. Of course, I had to use it for something. And this is a wrapping paper, Christmas wrapping paper. I'm saving Christmas wrapping papers from the gifts, and some other people do that for me too, and then I use them for my journals. So that was all in this pocket. So what's here is something on the other side. There we go. There is nothing here inside anywhere. This looks like a page. Cardboard, look at this. So it's a cardboard that I carved into the cardboard some design. There we go. And this is like a big Christmas tag out of a punching card, and there is some writing space on it here, and there is another little shrinky on it. So that was here, I believe. So here we have another page. It is a little heart, and there is something here inside. Anything else? No, seems like nothing else. So 2 tags, Christmas tags. Here we go. They come right here. Okay. So this is also one of the vintage Christmas cards. Ah, there is here a tuck spot in between, and there is another Christmas mini journal for more writing space. Here we go. Some stamping, golden stamping, and whatever papers. So here we go. Here we have another page, collage, Christmas collage, and there is one tag and another tag. They were here tucked inside. There we go. So let's put them back. Okay, here we have envelope. Oh, it opens here. This is from envelope made of how you call this? Baking paper, and I also stamped it. As I see, there is also Christmas stamping over it. So what's in here? This looks like another journal. Yeah, with stamping and vintage paper, and this cloth. It's like a Christmas. I have few of them. I was getting them for free from someone. I don't even remember. It's like a to put under a Christmas tree or on the table or something. This I think is only the page for journaling, and I stamped on it. Yes, it's pretty much that. And here is another mini envelope with a tag inside. So let's tuck it back. And another vintage card, Christmas, Merry Christmas. It's in my native language, in Slovak there. And here is another wrapping, no, that's a wax paper envelope that I made with Christmas tag inside. So nice stuff. Nice stuff that I put here together. I totally forgot. So here, and let's wrap it around. Okay, This is just sewn in, so there is nothing behind. Here we have a pocket, if I see it well, okay, with some stuff behind. Here is things to do. Well, for me this one page would not be enough for all the things that I need to do, but yeah. So this is a tag, and there is like a little notebook here, so there are more papers to write on. This is another tag, so that's here in the pocket, collaged. And here we have a jingle bell stuff. How does this, oh, okay, I think I flipped this open. Oh yeah, here we go. I bought this fabric on one of the exhibitions or expos for hobby crafters, and it was really beautiful Christmas vintage stuff, so I think it's awesome here. I think I have one more. I only bought two. They were quite expensive. Here we have some Christmas stickers again. I think those stickers are all also from that expo. I received them for free. We were getting plenty of those stickers for free there. They are from some German brand. I would have to look it up from where. Maybe I will post it below. So I think this, oh, okay. Ah, this is kind of like a tacked inside. So there is a tacking spot here, so you can just kind of slide it in there. I was just wondering that it looks kind of like something should come out. So this is just a collage from Filz, you call it? Felt, not Filz, Felt. Filz I think is in Dutch. So felt, and here I think that's the last page. Yes, that's the last page. Lots of stuff in this. Look at this puffy heart. Just want to cuddle with it. And there is another shrinky here. It's like a stamp, postage stamp with a bell on it. I'm not sure. I hope you can see it in the camera. So quickly just go through this stuff, and then again the sticker, and again Happy New Year Christmas vintage card, and another Happy New Year vintage card, and this is tag and just a piece of paper for journaling together. Here we go. Go. I don't want to make this video way too long, but for those who would be interested, I want you to see. So yay, puffy heart. Oh, and there is something in here, another. Oh, this is like a, how did I do this? It's like a, I think it's embossing on acetate, but I see that the acetate also started to heat. All right, I can't even remember I was doing all those things. So here are just vintage papers, normal papers, stamping again. So more space for writing for you. So pages, different kind of pages. It goes here, and this is the last page, my stamp. Okay, this is just sewn in. There is nothing to tuck in. All right, so as you can see, it's kind of wobbly because it is just binding with the twine, so it has to be loose for how thick it is. So you need to, you know, if I would tie it completely, it would be all open, not that nice. So to keep it more like a book or album or something, you need to give it a little bit of freedom, and then yeah, it's kind of wobbly, but it's holding all nicely together. So I hope you like it, and I will post my Etsy link below. Thank you for watching. Bye.